welcome back to another video. We are going to be working on the Honda S2000 today. We're going to be doing a little bit of the maintenance. The car is a little rough. It's idling a little rough, and when you rev it, the RPMs drop below normal. So we're going to try to get that fixed. I've heard on the forums that it's most likely a dirty throttle or a IACV. The control valve is dirty. But we're gonna do those, we're gonna clean it out. I got some throttle body cleaner and also a new set of spark plugs. And also we'll probably be swapping out the speakers, the original speakers, because it's kind of broken already. I think the last owner might have broken it, so we'll try to get that fixed. Here's also the crack in the reservoir right there. It's a pretty decent crack, but we just got a replacement that just came in today, and it's brand new, so we'll throw that in there. Alright, so I took off the control valve, cleaned it up. Basically no more carbon buildup. There was a good amount when I first took it off. Same with the throttle body, there was a bunch of carbon in there. Cleaned it up. Inside, sprayed it down. Sprayed down the inside. A lot cleaner. A lot cleaner than it used to be. I'm gonna reassemble everything and then move on to the spark plugs. Spark plugs and coils. So we're gonna replace those right now. So spark plugs are all out, or all the coils are all out right now. And I'm about to get all the spark plugs out and then replace them with these new Bosch double iridium spark plugs. So, yeah. And then, yeah, as you can see, these speakers were blown. Dude. Yeah, dude, it's literally hanging. No wonder it wasn't even working. But yeah, we'll get those two replaced and the audio should be way better once we're done. Alright guys, finished installing the new speakers on both sides. I'm gonna go test it out real quick, see how they sound. Ooh, that already sounds way better. What? Yeah, they're way better. But yeah, simple upgrade, pretty cheap, 30-40 bucks. Can't really go wrong with it. But yeah, alright.
The next day.
Alright guys, we're selling the 335i. But we'll move on to different projects, you know? But yeah, we're gonna be selling this car. We're gonna put a little bit more money into the S2K. We're gonna make it look nice, drive nice, all that stuff. But this car's gotta go. Thought we could keep it for a little longer, but the time has come. And we're just cleaning out the car right now for him, the new buyer or the new owner. And I'm gonna strap up Dark Vader in here. He came with every owner, so we're gonna leave him back here and let him have it.
Yeah, all the good memories with him, right?
Yep. With Dark Vader. All the good memories.
You gotta cut a clip in, bro.
Cut that clip. Came with the car, dude.
He's like, squeaking? I ain't gonna hear it if I get a louder exhaust, baby. Yee yee.
Fucking dumb, bro.
Vape it. People looking right now.
Oh shit.
Dude, that's like the worst shit in the world. Is like you're getting into a project, fucking oh my god, dude. AutoZone, you gotta go back. It's
You gotta go back.
hated, dude.
And then they look at you
Yeah,
again.
like, why are you back here? Be like,
It's like,
"Forgot
it didn't
the car."
fucking work.
Yeah.
It didn't work, or
He's like, look at this dumbass. Fuck, man.
can I return this? My boy didn't open the fucking thing.
Dude, this bitch is fucking hot, dude. We took her out to a joyride too. Sheesh. Ah! Oh fuck, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Counterclockwise is
Right, tight. Like your mom's
counterclockwise.
pussy.
Dude. Oh, dude, that fucking burns, bro. Holy shit. Dude, I don't know why we.
Oh fuck, dude.
Oh, dude, no way. No, dude, it got on my face. Jamari, dude. Jamari, dude, it got on my face. Dude, oh my god.
Ah, I'm dying.
Dude, that scared the shit out of me. Check this out, STP. I don't know what the fuck. I got the cheapest brand one because. So, make sure you lube up your filter before you put it in.
Probably get some gloves too.
Nah, dude. Still dripping. Don't give a shit. It's like a. What's it called? Like hand sanitizer, you know? 99%. There's always that 1% that stays. Jesus, man. Oh, dude, that thing's full already. Put the thing back on, right?
Bro, it's literally like coming out of it.
I think it is out. Oh, it is out. It's out. It's hanging there. We should need to pop it out.
So hangers are a bitch. Everyone knows that.
Do they? Do they know that?
Hope they know that.
Nice. Dang, bro.
Floor a little bit, but.
Fuck.
That was a bitch.
Should we do a start with with it off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Now.
That shit got.
That wasn't even 9, dude. That was 6.5. Was there no gasket?
No, there wasn't.
No.
Oh, what the fuck? Do we have to run no gasket? No.
No, I think that's like a 2 and 2.5 inch.
I think 2.7. Should we get one or fuck it?
I mean,
Fuck it.
you're running one without it.
Yeah.
could
Why
just
is it? Why does it not have one? That's my question.
Yeah, I mean it's stock. So
Doesn't it usually come with one?
Yeah.
Whatever. Fuck it. Nvidia exhaust startup number 1, baby. First time startup. I know, it doesn't sound that loud.
It smells like shit though.
That's not true. Oh, did it just backfire?
Yeah. Shit, the hatch is falling on it. Oh. Oh, is that sore, dude? Ooh.
Oh wait, there's people behind there.